Welcome back to another deep dive into the fast-paced world of urban mobility. Today, we are stepping away from high-octane hypercars and monstrous off-road machines to check out something designed for pure, everyday practicality. If you are looking to ditch your car for the daily commute without draining your bank account, you need to stick around, because we are looking at a machine that proves affordable electric mobility can still be incredibly comfortable and reliable. Meet the eCB.1, the latest highly approachable electrified two-wheeler from Batch Bicycles. For those who do not know, Batch is proudly backed by United Wheels, the legendary Ohio-based bicycle corporation responsible for the iconic Huffy brand. With that kind of heavy-hitting pedigree, it is no surprise that the eCB.1 hits the absolute sweet spot between value, comfort, and smooth everyday performance. Right off the bat, the eCB.1 is designed with accessibility firmly in mind. Batch built this fantastic commuter around a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum step-through frame. While some might traditionally associate this design with casual cruisers, it is actually heralded worldwide as one of the safest and most convenient frame styles available for urban environments. It allows riders of all skill levels to easily mount and dismount without awkwardly swinging a leg over a high bar, which is incredibly useful if you have cargo strapped to the back. It also lets you easily plant your feet flat on the ground at stoplights for maximum stability. To keep the ride buttery smooth without adding the weight and cost of a complex suspension system, Batch equipped this rig with fat 2.4-inch Kenda cross-section tires. These beefy tires effortlessly soak up pesky road vibrations and minor bumps, ensuring your daily ride stays comfortable. Powering this urban commuter is a robust 500-watt Vinca rear hub motor, paired with a convenient thumb throttle and a reliable 7-speed Shimano tourney drivetrain to help you conquer annoying hills with ease. That peppy motor is fed by a neatly integrated 420-watt-hour removable battery pack. While Batch has not officially rated the maximum range, it holds enough juice to confidently handle all your daily errands and city adventures. Better yet, because the battery is removable, you can easily swap in a fresh one if you need to go the extra distance.
Stopping all that momentum is handled by a premium set of Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, clamping down on 180mm rotors, giving you serious, predictable stopping power in any weather condition. The absolute best part? This incredibly capable daily commuter carries an MSRP of just $1,499, and it is currently on sale in many places for under $1,300. It is an unbelievably approachable entry point into the e-bike lifestyle,